guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title of this video, I will be doing a jack-o'-lantern out of Dominoes. It's going to be pretty cool. I don't know how many dominoes I use, but I will find out when I build it. And so this video is going to be part 1 of 2. Part 1 is going to be me building it. Part 2 is going to be me knocking it over. So let's get on to part 1, which is building. This is a plan of my domino jack-o'-lantern. This is the real thing. There's the paper version, and you can see the jack-o'-lantern built. I've got some yellow eyes, a mouth, a little stem at the top, which is black, and then obviously the orange body, and then all those clear dominoes that are around it are just gonna knock it over. So here we go, knocking it over. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, please comment that you liked it. If this video gets 1 like, I will post part 2 of this. This video that you just watched is part 1. Part 1 is building it. Part 2 is knocking it over. So if I get 1 like, I will post part 2. And if you did like it though, please subscribe, please. Because if you subscribe, you will help out my channel. You will help out, so please do that. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you next time. Use most of my orange dominoes, some of my black, some of my yellow, and I'm going to make a really cool